Johnson. We have Taylor here with us this afternoon. Taylor hadn't been in several months, right?
Yes, sir.
And you were wakeboarding that past weekend, hurt yourself in your neck and your shoulder, huh?
Yes, sir.
You got numbness all the way down into your left arm. Mm-hmm. That's called cervical brachial syndrome or cervical radiculopathy. He's pinched a nerve in his lower neck that's shot all the way into his shoulder, all the way down to his arm and into his hands. And that's from what you call stingers in football, where you get jammed in there and it pinches the nerves and it zings right out your shoulders and arm and hand. Is that what it felt like, a zinger?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, and his pelvis is shifted a little bit to the left of center line too. So first thing we're going to do with him today is going to put him on the decompression adjustment, because you get those zingers from being compressed. Did you crash with your head?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Head
Okay.
and shoulder first.
Here we go. On your back. Head up this way.
All right.
Is this your first time on this?
Second time.
Second time on this. Okay, slide up that way a little bit for me. A little bit more. You have this right on top of your hip bone, so slide up a little bit more. So this is only his second time in getting this ring dinger done, but it should take care of that cervical brachial pinch nerve for him pretty quickly. This takes care of cervical radiculopathy, lumbar radiculopathy due to herniated disc or misalignment to the spine called subluxations. So if you see he's kicking beforehand, we'll make sure he's kicking afterwards. Okay, nice deep breath through your nose. Relax it. Oh yeah, home run. Felt that one all the way down, didn't you?
Oh yeah.
Good deal. Boy, that was smooth as silk too. For me anyway, didn't hurt me a bit.
didn't hurt too bad either.
Yeah. That's good. You're a lot quieter than a lot of our patients. There we go. Okay, now let me just have your head in my hands. That's it. Very good. Felt that, huh? Did that go down your arm?
No, it didn't.
Okay, good. Okay, let's come over this way on your tummy next. Taylor, I'm going to have you lie on your stomach for me with your face up in here. So for all you weekend warriors that are out there water skiing or wakeboarding or playing football or soccer, these injuries come up quite frequently when playing like that. And the very best solution is to get in like Taylor did right away and take care of them. That way they don't last or get worse. Kind of tender right there too. Okay, so I'm going to get your SI joints first. L1 right there, and then the lower thoracics right here. There we go. Good. And exhale for me. There we go. Okay. Now slide down this way just a tiny bit there, Taylor. Good. You're gonna feel your hip piece popping up. Good. Okay, now let's turn you on your back again with just your head on the hip piece. I made you break a little sweat there, huh? Okay. Now I'm going to bring his head up and away from that pinched nerve. It also helps restore the normal cervical lordosis. Okay, let's slide down about an inch. Yep, that's good. A little bit more maybe. Right there. Good. Now if you'll put your arms out to the sides like this for me, please, sir. Adjust both shoulders, AC joints, right there. And then the clavicle where it attaches to the sternum on both sides, there. Now his anterior costosternal joints. And when you stand up, you'll feel your shoulders square off a lot. Okay, relax for a second. There you go. You should have felt that in your knee and your back.
Yep.
Good. There we go. Good job. Okay, let's sit you up face toward Joseph. A little bit dinged up there too. That one too. Good. Let's get your elbows and your wrist. Good. Good. There we go. Good. Okay. Stand up in front of the mirror here now. Alright, Taylor, I'm going to have you close your eyes again and bend your head forward and backwards again. This should already feel a little easier. Yep, take a look at neutral now. Much more centered. You're still a little forward. So pull these guys up and back. Hold those there for me. There. We're going to bring that head straight back and then look up at the ceiling there. You're going to feel a little tap right there. And right there. Okay, you can relax. Let's try that same thing again. Tell me if this feels any smoother to you than the previous one. Yep, take a look. You're right down the gut everywhere right now. Your hands are at your sides. Good. So would you mind sharing with our YouTube subscribers how that felt?
I'm going to say I came in here earlier today and thought I was going to need to go see the orthopedic for my shoulder, and I don't feel like I need to anymore. Definitely was stiff. Didn't feel good. I was actually very worried I wasn't going to be able to wakeboard anymore this summer. And now I don't really have a doubt that
you'll be out there this weekend.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you for sharing your story with us, Taylor.
Absolutely. Thank you.
You bet. And Taylor just comes in whenever he feels like he needs to. We haven't put him on any big, long treatment program. We do that with a lot of our patients. They know when, I teach them to know when they're out of place, and they know to come in. So we just let them call and come in whenever they want to. And this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnston. We'll see you next time. Good.